What did we bring to this car show? Let's find out. What is up, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Well, this car show landed us up here in Scranton, PA at McDade Park for the Tracey's Hope Animal Hospice Care benefit. And this car show is put on by Chelsea, who puts on different car shows and that. Definitely look for her to put on a car show next year up in this area possibly, or maybe somewhere different. Who knows? But we're up here, and if you are new to the channel, hit that like, comment, subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you guys can stay posted when we do videos like this at different car events. And who knows, we might end up at a car show near you. But we ended up bringing the 5th gen Ram Cummins with us. And we also brought our channel Jeep with us. So if you guys follow the channel, you'll know that we have both these vehicles on the channel. So we're going to do a little walk around just to check this car show out. And you can check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So go over to those social media pages and give me a thumbs up over there. And we're going to start this show with the 5th gen and the channel Jeep. If you guys are in the market for looking for a leveling kit or a lift kit, check out skyjacker.com and use discount code Wicket_Fabz10 at checkout on their website, and you'll receive an extra 10% off. So I'm glad I was able to bring that out. So enough of all that. Let's get on with this car show, and I'll see you at the end. back to the tent now, just see what's going on. Well, guys, I hope you like this video. So like I said earlier in the video, smash down on that subscribe button. Give me a big thumbs up, share it out. And like I said, you never know what show I may end up at or may end up at your show. Well, till next time, I'm Joe, driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll it. Wicked Fabz!